Napapansin mo ba, kahit matagal ka nang natulog, paggising mo, parang pagod ka pa rin? Paiba-iba ka ng pwesto sa higaan, pero hindi ka pa rin komportable. Sumasakit yung likod, balakang, leeg. For pregnant moms, lalo na, hirap makahanap ng posisyon na hindi masakit sa katawan. And for busy adult or workers, pagod ka na buong araw, pero sa gabi, hindi ka pa rin makapagpahinga ng maayos. Honestly, hindi ikaw yung problema, yung pillow mo. Karamihan kasi ng pillows, hindi sinusuportahan yung buong katawan mo. So yung spine mo, hindi align, yung pressure points mo, naiipit. Kaya kahit 8 hours ka matulog, hindi pa rin quality yung pahinga mo. Kaya maraming Filipinos ngayon ang nagsiswitch sa OMG-PH pillows. Hindi lang iisang pillow, may options ka depending sa kailangan ng katawan mo. Gusto mo ng full body support? Go for the pregnancy pillow. Mahilig ka sa yakap habang natutulog? Perfect yung long pillow. Need mo ng mas compact pero comfy pa rin? Mini long or medium pillow ang sakto sa'yo. Iba-iba man yung preference mo, iisa lang yung goal. Bigyan ka ng totoong comfort habang natutulog. Imagine mo to. Paghiga mo pa lang, ramdam mo na agad yung comfort. Wala nang pabalik-balik na pwesto, wala nang sakit paggising. Mas mahimbing, mas tuloy-tuloy, mas quality na sleep. Whether buntis ka, pagod sa work, or gusto mo lang talaga ng mas masarap na tulog. This pillow makes a huge difference. Don't just take our word for it. Here's what real customers are saying. Before, hirap silang matulog, back pain, discomfort, walang support. But after trying OMG-PH, comfy and thick supports any sleeping position 10 out of 10. After just one day, nawala yung back pain. Highly recommended. Huggable, exact softness, and good quality fabric. Maganda, siksik yung laman with zipper pa for easy use. Super lucky, malambot but may fairness. Hindi lulubog kahit sandalan. From pagod at puyat to finally getting the rest they deserve. And here's the best part. Hindi mo kailangan gumastos na sobrang laki para lang makuha yung ganitong level of comfort. Right now, when you order your OMG-PH pillow, you'll get exclusive discounted price, free shipping, free pillowcase, plus 2 free ebooks to help you sleep better and more comfortable, and a 3-day money-back guarantee. So yes, risk-free mo siyang matatry. Hindi mo nagustuhan? You get your money back. Pero heads up, limited stocks lang per batch. And mabilis talaga siya ma-sold out, especially kapag may promo. So habang available pa, don't wait, maubusan ka na naman. If you want better sleep starting tonight, click the button now and order your OMG-PH pillow because once you experience real comfort, hindi ka na babalik sa dati mong pillow.